People just keep giving him reasons to talk. What take over?
Maga meeting is sure, lover. Sure. I let's try to train at all, no.
Sure.
Buma Panama hope.
No way ka o reng e mona Moriski few bars eo a speedileng eno no. E cloudile batsa motho na ka o fe.
Me ana Tomo Foster na Chabi. I'm introducing you to your light. Maga botsa wa itse ne ke la
sheba ha go khabathile Chabi mese ka o mo bitsa ka.
No. It all depends on plot. Le Western and Peter Majoro sama se push ha. On his song, I want this. Le yona ka respond because ne le work. Ke bona na le plug o engage. Ona le motho sa engage. What happened?
Re ba no na hana ye mona motho mollumo bona le energy ya bua ka mogwa bua. Speaker on tsa le work ka ofela.
Ah, o tla re yana. He has to say that.
You are see, baby. What they do. Yeah. Special edition buffet to this face off is special. Why? Because we're in the north of Virginia. OXV Matunyan, baby. Yeah. Shout out. URC Raspana buffet to Lavona. We're all about cap and talk and who did what 15 years ago. Fuck that shit. We're doing shit right now, niggas. Kitori way so. Chamatsunyani, Ritlo yena, Kitori Elfez Majoro 051. It's a clash, it's a derby buffet.
M versus V.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Versus Virginia.
So le renfe la buffet, le renfe.
Ah man. Damn.
Yeah.
Welcome guys. Welcome to my home.
Sure.
Welcome to family.
Yeah.
I'm just happy you niggas made it, man.
Yeah, man.
And I'm happy the face-off is happening.
Yeah.
Finally.
We had to, man. So how you feeling, my G? How you feeling?
Ahead of the battle, I'm feeling 100, my G. I feel like I haven't battled in a minute, you know. Group stage in sinking yeah, man, month after month,
Sure.
So, you know, I'm hungry for that shit.
You're hungry for that shit. So, by the way, you well prepared for upcoming battle.
Well prepared. And now I'm saying, you know,
man.
all of my battles, dog. You can't say this nigga was not prepared.
Sure.
You know.
Sure. Yeah.
Even all this time, no jena ki di knockout ntate.
Mara no jena o tshwana o tshwere ntsha e nngwe le reng o tshwere ntsha le reng le na o blind ka preparation. Ya mogolo wa prepare. And pen is not a walkover. So ocho re mogolo.
I've been waiting for this battle for a minute, you know.
Sure.
So the one thing I know about Elfez is that how no mubita if you are not well prepared. That's number one. It gets to the point the preparation is only basis of the whole battle. Everyone must be prepared.
Sure.
Otherwise, it's hard to judge the battle fairly because this guy is gonna go clean through like a hot knife through butter. And then if you come and then you kind of stumble, you're already at a loss.
Yeah.
You get
True that.
But man. Yeah. I've been waiting. But I have to Majoro. This guy does not shut up.
Sure.
So I have to shut him up, man. People just keep giving him reasons to talk. What take over? Don't give a guy a reason.
Ka mo makalla nna ha re a ke bua ke mo fila chance a bue
so mogolo ka o hatile OXV o Matsunyane right now in the north. Yeah, the face off kona na wa so opea ene since nna tse ko kena ke re ntate khanchai so wena
ketanyano wa batho mo ketanyano wa batho ke so no itse maga mitse ke le sho lo ba ma gona le tse tshwantse ke tlo train at one ba
Sure.
Boma pala ma hope. That's the shit that's gonna happen.
But I'm not on train now, but I'm not on train. Stadium is actually lapsed.
Sprinter, long distance runner, athlete, I'm physical, under 21. Ya Bloom Tiger sikele 16 ta. Sa tlo tshwetsa ke mokaba.
Ke temporary then.
Ke one big pack. It's one as a six pack, one big pack.
Ke kula
di phata for ke blela sphata se se jima ka jimi for ke tla tsenya 3 star. Baba so aga tshepa strength. Mara no e a ke nnete boraka. Ba bona ke accept le challenge go tsile go betsa 50 push ups and ka ne ke ma Osiris untse bona fore majoro tsa mojima.
Sure.
Wabo magano re tlo bua
Osiris agare man ke tlo mojimisa ra mano lo fufulelwa sa matha. Na ga montsha ka 6 pack and tate mo lemela ra this time.
Sure. So braya ka a ona hana o di tshwere di angle tsa tlotla ka tsona ona hana o di tshwere ona hana like you're gonna rebattle or on for like what you prepared is enough.
If you've seen my battles, I thrive off of knowing what a person is gonna do.
So you think you know what I'm gonna do?
I know what you're gonna do.
I get that man. Mo area now blele makana be le 3.5 mo panning for how he felt kana ku yeng. But why ere mo risk how it feels to be in front of me it's not the same dog. And you are the same when it's like when open book test because
so the
no I can sorry the angles I don't even have to I know to bua ka mokhaba I don't know to bua ka bo di prostate you are old ass nigga like it's cliche that don't make sense so the only thing he can do maybe ku bua the beautiful lies he's good with the beautiful lies. You know what's a beautiful lie?
For example,
that ain't going to take over. What happened to you? You died for trying to go to Durban, General. Like, Onal didn't say, why you so harm? Kita mana vape? I bet I'm a military man rap. Cap. What rap I no, he's nice with the words, but he's beautiful. Not realistic. Can I be sure nearly? Poly what? How do I mark?
Polygraph.
I'm that shit, dog. Yeah. I'm that shit.
Like
a moment of truth. Like
never end like a vertical battle mo bontsha hore ne onka confidence ya high opponent in tse lo reng ha di store. Sure. In all honest.
Sure.
He's gonna tell us about Moriski. When we knew Moriski had a choking problem, Moriski choked. He'll be going. Knowing ka hore ngemo na Moriski few bars eo a speedileng eno no. Cloudile batsa motho na kaofela.
So when ana le batse 200. Tse to cloud am batsa ka kaofela. Elfez wena accountong e ngwe Small makoti. Okay. What did you say to West? What did you say to West that makes me like shit? You'll die for trying to go to Durban. You care, dog. Like beautiful lies, dog. You say, now I speak the hard truth. Get all trouble from start to it. Only naked. No, and I get all the handout to make the handout. I'm gonna hand them out.
Dishing them out.
After that, I want to get on system in your from now on. I'm gonna give him that work, dog. I'm gonna give you that work, dog.
I have a faith. I didn't have a faith. So, Ucho, I have a faith. Obviously, both of y'all, but we put a little finally. When are we gonna le man finally mbla?
Nah, I don't know, and I don't care who's in the final, man.
Walalto.
What's it?
Walalto.
Mandela View.
I've always been standing above Bloemfontein.
Do you know, Fred? I foresee every house that's being built in Mandela View. I'm gonna give you the proper view.
Yes.
I'm gonna give you the proper view. Every house. I want to go Mandela View sadly through these hands. I'll give you the proper view. Some people like ka devil say. Ono hae ka go mpela go wala letso. Wala letso wa tji. Wala letso ntato wala monwana. Wala monwana wa letso. Da mana go tsinya Mandela ka tlung. Wena o kila matshwara Mandela ka. When was the last time you saw Mandela in your hands though?
Ke dila ka Mandela no tjina bogaya.
Mandela ke ma.
Mandela money nigga.
Okay. Ba itse reng?
Right now.
O tlile for go tshwantse patale go debe. O tlile. Re tla bua Mandela.
Nisha.
Ha o sna Mandela wa sala ne.
Sharp, I don't tie.
Ha o sna Mandela wa ki ha o sna Mandela wa sala. Ka batla e bona view. Ka batla e bona view ye. He's in the city of gold. Mara no ga gona lo e tshwara ye.
Yo, by the way, guys.
You are in the city of Aketle. He's in the city of gold. Mara e so e tshwara. O kila tshwara gold we. Ka sia ga. Sure. Eta wa bona mo re emeng teng. Nkile ka tlisa itse nna re. Ha ka sa bua teng. Ngwana sa.
Oh, you bana re bana ko he's snitching on himself for.
Nkile ka tlisa itse ke.
He's snitching on himself for some rap
lies.
What the hell?
I'm gangster like that. Da mana ne ke mmella for go dira getseng ya ga wena khona we. Yeah, that's why ke rent out. Wena bra wa ka you are talented. Ba bo tlo go tshwara ka tso. Like honestly you are talented.
Now latte off camera
But he's talented. That's what I'm saying, Gary. One of the thing is, when you do the art of war, you have to know your opponent. You have to know his strengths, his weaknesses. The only thing he knows, the only thing he knows is the criticism on Facebook. That shit is fake. That's why Gary, just like Takeover, he's gonna find out the hard
I can't even like your man top city you want to see. It's just Facebook, right? Yeah. I don't know.
So when I'm going to man finally.
I think it's the future best in the world. I mean the former best in the world.
The former
best in the world.
In General West.
Former so best. I think General West former best in the world. Former best in the world.
By the way, Buffet to next month, July, Buffet to who are there never fair to so pledge your support by buying a ticket for event at the 14th June.
What is the ticket? Which
is coming.
Legend. Man, ticket pinky. I try to go. O tla di kry ngo le mo. A ke go tsamaile mo tshwantse.
Wa bona potso ya wena ke lena.
He bra wa ka bona. Nna ke re batho ba gona go nhlabela mo ke yang teng. Ke re le go debeleng ka hlabisa batho. That's why why so you're not even a household yet. Omang ba fostana.
Man.
E ma di mane ke mang wota. Omang weta mo. Ba mo fostana le ma.
Mothuki wa khone mo ko mobotse. O ko mobotse na wa yeso.
No, bua ka repe man, re bi mo strate, bua ka repe omang wena mo.
Wa yeso ka theba motseba ka eng.
Chabi witsa o fostana. Lobo witsa o fostani. Diesel ona sa o fona o fostana o ntwana mamma. Jaga bo Moriski wa bona. Moriski wa fostani wa mya. Wena o tlharelletse ka Bloemfontein. Ka o 57 o ma.
Hle batla.
O kila tshwara show kae ka? Kila tshwara show kae ka?
Nna mona a ke soka ye tshwara show ga ya ka batho. If o batla o tseba na wa
go
tsamaya lo bo.
A o so tshware show, then a o itsa ga le reta. So ntle ke go thusitse mo Bloem ne. Go like honestly speaking, you have to thank us dog. Bona re tlile for wena. Ma o 57 a gona le motho. Re tlile for yene. Ma o 57 a gona motho, o tlileng for yene. Ta. Ma re tlo kenya batho ska wa ga sa. Tlo kenya batho. Kenya batho. Batho no yana le tlomo Fostana, Chabi. I'm introducing you to your light. Chabi, I'm introducing you to your light. Hey, Botaka Max, for you got maxed out. Get out, like, get out. Kabatile ba, why is it Kabatile Momanka 57? Why is it in the tube? Maka Bota, why is it in the tube?
Kabatile Chabi Mesaka Mobiza Gabi.
No. Hey, you are going to be talking your mouth. Emma level 16 at the
when I only about 25K, but about to Wakana.
Emma, can I have a moblo? kapa ke nna ena le mplaka ya go bitsa motho ka dinyo ga mma it all depends on plug le western am bitsa ga majoro sa se pusa ha oni song a one disa le yona ka responda because ne le work ke responda mo pineng nga reng wa bo something that's why ke reng wa bona o ntse bua Facebook ke mmone ka o bua go Facebook thata for go sa itse o kwa o itse ke mmone ka a ne go etsa o announceiwa a ke mo gwatha ke bua le ne ka bona o sna time ndo ke fe no sna data ka pa o so ka o kwa because I go engage earlier you didn't have anything to say magano utlwa for re rata bo a kitse o no hotspot ka ai kapa o create data kapa o dintshando ke bona na le plaka o engage o no le motho sa engage what happened
re bana ona hana ye mona motho mo lumo bona le energy ya bua ka mogwa bua se sala ka mametse ena
entse ya nna ka bu ke majoro kanti majoro a bua na o ke 2 minutes go rekwa lunch go crash ezolo a ke bua so that you can pay attention
it's about
it o kila re bona le nyoko o kila re bona re itse ka go thuta
I don't know ke mama me ya wa lona wa no jena o lo chaya
wa no
state funeral I'm telling you flag on top of the coffin everything now Bloemfontein doesn't have a mayor anymore. Trust me.
So in the last 10 years.
But I host bata wonder.
Fuck the host. Already
being hostage.
Fuck yeah, the host is being held hostage. Kima jogo since 2015 till today. A gona kileng an tlosa wena kakasi ya go kila khabatama
like
kakasi ya go kila khabatama no
is it like a competition cup or a title like
aren't you here to compete aren't you here to compete
I don't
aren't you here to compete that's why you're gonna die you're not here to
compete alabo mo risky wena monna thaka
hey it's in my group hey e mona ma o ntso re nno ya ntso mpraise di camera di le off o mpela for ke bolele da mane you new clare for go tlo chada man is in my age. He's my age. Chabi is my age. Maybe he must have about 3-4 years.
Obleile Chabi.
Of why? Okay, sharp.
Obleile Chabi.
What has he done since today? Till today, since then? His career is over. Okay, Chabi. Since then.
Chabi hasn't been
Obalanto go so trasa fa tshwere phone ya. A tshwere na go so trasa fa Chabi.
O
tlile masa. Nna ke dira distract the following day.
Speaker o tsa le work ka ofela.
Ah, o tla re yana. He has to say that. He has to say that. Ke sphume tjosa. But I'm saying Chabi obala verse a tshwere phone yana a bitswe ke speaker. Nna wa ndisa fandanga ka motho ke palama verse ke sa ba. Ya no just imagine what I have for you. Just imagine.
On an application it's a guy who speaker.
I can apply. Now I don't apply for shit. Ki go speaker. I don't apply for shit. Ke majoro. Nna. Ke mo romela ni application ni ke ma itsenya lo moe.
Alo batla ke no.
Lo ga pa ka no so go speaker ke application. Eta ke dira full event go Cubana ba sa nkitse. Rooftop be go tlala ta. O sa nkitse wena. You didn't know me. Wa utla ke re. Ke tlatse bo di Cubana o sa mforstana.
You turned a profit, couple you broke even.
Eta fool. Yeah, man, bota boss ya Cubana.
Break even.
Bota boss ya Cubana.
Break even. Haga hano na challenge
the host. No.
Haga ni challenge the host.
Batho ba rekile ticket. Eh mana batho ba rekile it's not mahala. Toko blele ka.
I know of excuse.
Oh, you know of. Kana o no le ka ene a ntse ba ntse ba repa ka the deep. Where were you?
I was here.
No khadi pampers ne. Elskizo palame at Ablomo. People bought 100 copies of my album for that day. That mobotse. I gonna ticket day one Elskizo every more than 100 people bought tickets to come see me. They were there. I keep that's why I can't tell you. I keep my joke. Span in order. Span also be rekita. Like I'm gonna show you.
We know we got the money to make that shit happen.
Hey, where's to
do you
come in for free? Okay. Thank you, full price, 150 for that match, not even 100 rand. 150. Cubana na go tsena ka 150. Nchaka, smash o busitswe, a patetse. Ka busiwa, that's why ke re ticket ya se pampiri. Smash o busitswe go Cubana go tse di what ka sa tsene tao. So like I'm at that level, dog. I'm at that level. That's why when I try to get a bit in now, just because we battle, I have to break you down. But I'm gonna build you after the battle. Don't worry. After this, you're gonna be greater, dog. But it's your turn to talk. Take it easy.
Man, sakata kopana ka betlele moya.
Sure.
Sakata kopana ka.
Sure. Read it loud. What voice you to me?
Y'all heard. That's the face
E
off.
kopane ndoda ke nna o re ke nna ke ka tsa ba ka ya mo tswa go ka 57 o tla le bo mang ka 57 e ka da o tla le bo mang because next thing ale chaya le crowd is on my side le ene wana chaya re crowd is on my side wena o tla le bo mang from the 7
Ke tla ke le one wa
That's
a fucking lie. Fuck that shit.
o tla le one tao Bloemfontein o jari wa we a gona motho o reng ke to vena between them you ask yourself why not because you are significant no
Is it?
eh o teba kaniking no man an ant that's trying to get into the elephant's trunk you that nigga they're hoping for that little ant can come into my trunk mo sepindo
Ba tseba nnete fela.
ba tseba
Ba tseba nnete.
le wena wa
And nnete kore I nka o qhaqholla on each and any day. Ka
nna
on any day.
Yeah.
just because go fishery so tseba on qhaqholla jwa
Ra tla betleleng ba fethu, ra tla betleleng.
on qhaqholla nna ta
Ra tla betleleng ba fethu.
okay what's different about you e le gore batho ba ka fela for 10 years ba sa gone on qhaqholla what makes you different ha ke
Ha
mesaya
ke bona nna.
I'm gonna rebuttal oh man ke tlo rebuttal every round of yours can you rebuttal
Ke tlo re batlela every round.
right aha
Right.
la utlwa ge ha gona time yake ene o
Ah,
sa
hona
nna
time.
take me something
Unlimited
take me something
Unlimited rounds.
hona le nngwe ke e boneng ka ene specially
Unlimited rounds.
ya mano itse dira o kwala round ya 3 minutes ba e repeater every bar I repeat ba betsa ba tse 4 ba di repeat ba even ka go repa 15 minutes o ngwana sa ha ne ke bele ka we
Ha o bue nnete hore
e mona serious
ha o bue nnete hore bona ha ona stanza sa mina
West.
etsa se felang ke soka ke phazamisa.
ke maka ya mane ta o repa bane ha o tla la reactor aba betsa ba e a kana go ko tlase ve pa bantsa you'll die for trying to go to Durban ta ha to sindisa da mane ta ha to sindisa ha to gona you gonna be alone with the whole world cheering for you and you'll be losing like eta e botlhoko pain eta o bone mo risk o didimetse no ya everyone wa bona le wena you gonna go quiet after this I promise you you're gonna be silent
Clean out. Clean out. Na hape bona black true.
Sure.
Kore ha ona stanza sa mina etsa se felang ho soka ho ba le di reaction. Ne? And the other thing kore ke go ntwe ke ngolang from start to finish ya connect. So if ke khatha mahareng be ke tlo hlaya hape se ke
o bojana
mahareng wa bona
Sure.
tlamehile ke lo starta hape ba ke tle le yona hape because the last one is connected to
You're
the
riding
first
on the
one.
hype, man. You're riding on the hype, man.
So now I don't know. Elfez ga khona o dula tjena ga ka spit go utlo ga there is nothing. Nothing.
Yo!
How not reaction le.
Eta. Go mamelwa. Eta speak. I speak money.
Ka bo di gate ba.
Mang o tsile ka gate. Then wena ka mo ga go eta yene.
Le man o ntsa le round wa.
O batla ke tla le video. O batla ke tla le video. O batla ke edit video yele. When in the background, I'll show you how many times he claps hands for me. I'll show you. Come show to editor from day 1 to day 3. He's capping, dog. Hey, lu ana ke to e mona ke to tabanya lwena. Lwena o safe. Ke to tabanya ndoda. Eh, ha o sale. E mona ke tabanya di
La ka mthusha ka tswa fatshe ke go ke lo wa ntse ke repa ke phametse ke repa tse go khabatha ka ba one way. One way. Wa tseba ya bona ha ke ne stage. Batho ba ka izonunga bukhona ba utlwa go shit hona le event.
Batho ba zonutse fe?
Ha zonunza be.
Abayo zonza ayo o kwabalala zonza ba tlile vibe ga batla wena wa juta ba ka iphone yana ba ka yana ba ka ka sia ba ka go tletse Bloemfontein
la lentsa ka next door nna
majoro shwere e mona majoro shwere 051 yana o ka 057 we Ika, ito mo thusetse mo. Ayo 57. Ayo
578.
At URC battles bafethu.
Mas because ka ngangwa but you need a humbling experience.
When you're outside of Bloemfontein, they won't ask you about the fence. Come back with a smash.
Canada food. I see another food. And again, I'm going to bet him. I'm going to bet him. You don't want to look tough. I got 14. Make it up. You don't want to look tough. That fool, bring your brother, man. Come support your brother, that fool. I'm gonna show him he's that fool. He ain't that fool. For when I got 14.
I'm gonna show him he's that fool.
14 June 2025. Cheba, kabe dija fatse bafethu. Elfes versus YSO. Kabe dija fatse.
This 5-8 by 8 ba. Ya freestyle in New York. Kana ska wa ka itse itse freestyle o no thabetse genomic da ona na tlang khabata ka di freestyle
o shebi ka khabata ka freestyle tse shi
wena kizilo torealo
genomic
kizilo torealo
I was there
unkhabati
o etse jiti papa Facebook freestyle monate bafethu freestyle monate shout out genomic
who won
genomic won kill that nigga man kill that nigga man
genomic go berekile
and we still waiting for the return of genomic
Maurice kutlekile Rico go kutlekile Leo go kutleka itapela matoro genomic itapela matoro ntsha le nna ke go
mara bafethu besides that ya rena le performance tse dope as well ka di 14 tsa June 2025 General West taba battle Samza another fire battle
watch higher.
It doesn't matter who won between Elfes and Genomic.
Who won? Genomic won the show.
They won the show, guys. Sure, bafethu. So, sale balang. Raka ndi ticket bafethu. Kipinki si fela ticket. I Tigers at the door. Real Madrid, Barcelona. I don't know which is which.
This is gonna be the battle, dog.
Kaizer Chiefs versus Pirates.
This is gonna be the battle.
Goku versus Vegeta.
This is gonna be the battle.
Any shit you can think of, but it's gonna be one hell of a fight, dog.
At least he's not gonna choke, dog.
No, it's not a choker. Yeah, whatever. Like bafethu or next support among doesn't matter. Just pull up Ronaldo Jajela bafethu
for the first time.
Shout out Ready Nico. Hopefully you can come back to the league soon, man. Yeah. But otherwise URC follow on Facebook, TikTok all the time bafethu, YouTube utla bona di battle kaofela. If you wanna recap on all the battles, what's been going down, who killed who in the group stages, YouTube bafethu, subscribe and like.
Yeah, it's Urban Rebel Culture everywhere on all digital streaming platforms. You can find our music. You can find URC on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram.
Ramen Reason
Culture, Ramen Reason.
Yeah. Ramen Reason. Go check that out. Yo.
And the first music video is out. The next one is dropping next week.
Yeah. Man. Yeah. Shout out to the movement. KZN. Free State lo bula KZN next month. General West. Le Moriski. Yeah. Kureke, bafethu, ke tshwere like team of the world, bafethu.
Black Diesel will also be there.
Black Diesel, o tla ba le teng,
Yeah.
bafethu. Shout out Black Diesel, shout out to Ghost. My nigga Ghost to tla ba betlela psych 5 letters. 5 letters. Like I said, my nigga, come prepared. Otherwise,
I wanna see this battle.
that's gonna be a dope ass battle, bafethu. Ghost versus bafethu. Shout out bafethu. Follow on, supportang. Rekang di-ticket ka di 14 e tla be le show e dope blind. Le nna tla be ke performa bafethu. Hai.
Yeah.
Ha ke itolle. Ke perform some bona ke hoster. Tla so at the Space Muffin. Hey, look. I'll even go as far as saying if you buy 5 tickets or more, I'll give you 2 free Space Muffins. Yeah, I'm pledging my support to the movement. Yeah, shout out to Ratiro Hemcare, shout out to Organic Creations, shout out to Elfest, shout out to YSO, shout out to 16. Bafetu, yeah. What they do, Manga.